In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to n8n. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless integration allowing your Squarespace data to interact efficiently with n8n's workflow automation capabilities. Let's get started. First up, we need to open n8n, the powerful workflow automation tool that will help orchestrate this connection with Squarespace. Once n8n is launched, you'll find yourself at the home interface, which is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new. Otherwise, let's dive right into the nuts and bolts of the integration process. Now, the next move is to head over to the section labeled Credentials. This area is crucial because it's where we'll set up how n8n will securely connect to Squarespace. In this part of the interface, you can manage and configure the various authentication methods required for the different services n8n can integrate with. We need to create a new credential. Specifically, we'll be setting up an HTTP header auth credential. This type of credential is designed for APIs that require authentication information to be sent alongside every HTTP request. To create this credential, it's essential to understand what it's doing. Here, we'll be configuring a header that tells Squarespace we have the correct permissions using an API key. Think of the header as a special badge that grants access through security checkpoints. Let's focus on adding the header now. We will be putting in two pieces of information, a header name and a header value. In the section for header name, input authorization. This is essentially telling the server that we're providing credentials. It's the standard term used for authentication headers. Moving on to the header value, you'll need to enter bearer your API key. Here, bearer is a keyword that suggests the method of authentication being used, with your actual API key serving as the verifier of your access rights. Ensure the syntax is exact. Case sensitivity and formatting matter greatly in this step. Double check that you've substituted your API key with the actual API key provided by Squarespace. This key is unique to your account, akin to a password, and must be kept confidential. Once you have carefully filled out these details, it's time to save the credential. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the configuration window. This will finalize the setup and store your credentials securely within n8n, allowing it to authenticate with Squarespace whenever required. And there you have it. A secure connection is established between Squarespace and n8n. Thanks to this, you can start leveraging n8n's automation prowess to make the most out of your Squarespace data. Don't forget to explore n8n's extensive range of nodes to create workflows tailored to your needs. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment. Happy automating!